3 minutes, 28 seconds on the second quarter. Last touch by Homan. Ruiz. Shot lock 10. Bound pass to Artanga. Sub. Maldirama to Dorwelo to Sichon. Shot lock 10. 4-3. No good. Fast break pass to Revista. Dribbling. Penetrate. Reject. Homan taking away the ball. Sub. Elia Correa to Ruiz. Looking around. Shot lock 5. 3 shot lock. Revista. 10 shot lock. Elia Correa for 3. No! Maldirama now dribbling on the run. Pass to Sichon. To the corner. Dorwelo. Air ball. Elia Correa. Pass to Pasigado. Back to Elia Correa. 10 shot lock. Sub. Sub. Fifteen shot lock. Maldirama to the right side. 10 shot lock for 3. Air ball. Sichon gets the basket and foul. Foul jersey number 31. Sub. Second personal foul. Sub. Sub. Elia Correa. To Artanga. To the corner. No. Rebound. Soklan and follow up. No good. Sub. Elia Correa. To Soklan. Dribbling and pose it up. No. San Juan's ball. 1 minute 14 seconds. 1 minute 14. Mentabea for 3. In and out. Soklan, pass to Elia Correa. 59 seconds. To Soklan, jersey number 17. 15 shot clock. Elia Correa, and no rebound. Soklan, one dribble into the bucket. Easy the points. 45. 40. 35. One more try. No again. Shot clock 7. 5 shot clock. Basket on 20. Shot clock is off. 15. 10. 7. 5. And on the second quarter, score 25-24. 1 point lead by Barangay Recreo. Next game nga schedule 30 under category between Barangay Miranda and Barangay Antipolo. Announcement no sa Lunes wala may exhibition game day alas 6 ang gabi. Ang representing sa aton nga Philippine team sa China League na siya 17 under category versus sa aton nga team Pontevedra 17 under. Sa Lunes na sa alas 6 ang gabi exhibition game. Back on the court now on the third quarter game, 15 under category between Barangay San Juan and Barangay Recreo. Intercepted. Tomin Tabia. He stepped on the line. Soklan had the ball. Cross court pass to Rebesta for 3. No good. Rebound si John. Doruelo. Magallanes. Back to Doruelo. Mindabea shot clock 10. 2 guys on him. 7 shot clock. 5 shot clock. For 3 air ball. Rebesta looking for the open man, goes to Soklan. Soklan attacking on the middle. Offensive foul, jersey number 17. Soklan, third personal foul. Sub. Revista. 4-3. No. Out of bounds. San Juan's ball. Magallanes. Kick out of the Ruelo. Goes to St. John and 3 seconds violation. Revista to Soklan. Ruiz to Revista. Shot clock 10. Open 3. Out of bounds. Up. Magallanes setting on the play. Soklan on him to the corner for 3. No. Ruiz on the rebound to Revista. Magallanes had the ball. Intercepted by Revista. Revista. Ball grab. Ruiz is there to kanila. Toledo. Sitchan attacking on the middle and lost the ball. Sub. Ilya Correa to Soklan. To Revista, shot clock 12. 10 shot clock. Finding by Ruiz. Basket of points. Score 29-24 in favor of Recreo. Doruelo to Homen. Intercepted by Ruiz to Ilya Correa. Here comes the Barangay Recreo. Ilya Correa rejected by Sitchan. Sub. Traveling violation. Magallanes. To Toledo. To Magallanes. He fakes. Step back. To the corner. Open 3. Short. Sitchan. Kick out to Toledo. Pass to Magallanes. Shot clock 8. Doruelo. Finding a way. To Homen. Easy 2 points. Ilya Correa to Soklan for 3. Bang! Magallanes Foul. Jersey number 8, blocking foul. First personal foul, Rebesta, jersey number 8. Homen, traveling violation. Elia Correa. Same ball. Rejected. Toledo secures the ball to Sinchon. Pass to Magallanes. Magallanes drop pass. Using the glass connect for the points. 4 minutes and 35 seconds on the third quarter. Elia Correa looking for Roes on the right side. Back to on top of the key. To the left side. Elegis on the fake. Attacking. No. Shot clock 5. Shot clock 5. Shot clock 5. Block. Shot clock. Jersey number 9, sub. Toledo. 15 shot clock. De La Torre sitting on the play. Shot clock 10. Foul. Holding foul, jersey number 8, sub. Shot clock back to 14. Shot clock. Basket 2 points, De La Torre. Revista. Penetrate. Denied. Homen for the rebound to Sinchon. De La Torre dribble the ball. Todoruelo for 3. No. Homen is there to the football. Elia Correa. Revista. Lost ball pass in turnover sub. De La Torre. Todoruelo. Back to De La Torre. 4-3 short. Elia Correa. To Revista. 2 guys on him. Stop and waiting for the team. To Pasigado. Bouncing out. Rebound Revista. He take the shot. Long 2. Basket 2 points. De La Torre sitting on the plane. Deruelo to Deruelo. Back to Deruelo. Back to top of the key for three. Short. Rebesta now pick up the ball to Elia Correa. Three guys on him. Only can. Is it John? Homen to De La Torre. Stop to si John for three. In and out. Soklan dribbling on the run. Soklan. Kick out ni Feng. Ana extra pass. Basket 2 points. One minute and 40 seconds on the third quarter. Deruelo. To Deruelo on the corner. Shot clock 7. Pasigado. To Elia Correa. Traveling violation. 1 minute 21. Timeout. Barangay San Juan. 1 minute 21 seconds. One minute 21 seconds on the third quarter. Deruelo to si John. 15 shot clock to Deruelo. Attacking Soklan denied. 7 shot clock. 5 shot clock. Traveling violation. $55 seconds. 50 seconds. Soklan for 3. No. Rebound Soklan, jersey number 17. Homen on the left, no. Revista, 30. Soklan. Offensive foul. Jersey number 17, offensive foul. Soklan, 4th personal foul. Sub. 25, 20, 15, 10, 7, 5 seconds, 5, 5 seconds, 5 seconds. 3. And on the third quarter score, 39-32 in favor of Recreo. Back on the court now on the fourth in the final quarter game between Barangay San Juan and Barangay Recreo. 15 under category. Doruelo to Homen. Basket, 2 points by Homen. Roes to Revista. Finding by Elagison. No. Sitchon for the offensive board. It's a trouble. Pasigado. And he got a foul committed by jersey number 71. Blocking foul. De La Torre from San Juan. Third personal foul. Rebound, Pasigado. To Pasigado for 3. No good. Foul. Jersey number 31. Lost ball foul. Third personal foul, Morata. De La Torre. So strong. Rebound, Ruiz. To Revista. Still by Homen. Homen to Sitchon. Hitting the shot. No. Homen. For 3. No good. Battling the rebound goes to Morata. Ruiz to Revista. Pasigado. Back to Revista. Looking around. Kick out. For 3. No. Doruelo, dribble the ball. Doruelo, on the right, got it! Ruiz, back to Revista. Shot clock 10, shot clock 7, 5 shot clock. 3 shot clock still by Sitchon. Foul. Jersey number 5, blocking foul. Second personal foul, Revista. Second. Revista. Stop. Kick out to Morata for 3. Bang! Nothing but net. Magallanes on the leader. Looking for Doruelo. Back to Magallanes. Shot clock 10. Penetrate. Stop and bump. Short. Rebound Morata. Pass to Ruiz. To Revista. To Elagison. Top of the key for 3. Not the time around. Sub. Seven minutes and 16 seconds. Doruelo. Rebound. Artanga, Topa Sigado, Topa Tingo. Still by Doruelo. Doruelo now dribbling on the run. All the way. Basket of points. Lost ball foul. Jersey number 2. Revista, Topa Tingo, back to Revista, Topa Sigado, 4-3, bang! Doruelo now dribble the ball, no good, Doruelo, no, rebound, Revista, foul. Jersey number 7, pushing foul. Sitchan, second personal foul. Revista, pass to Pasigado. One step Tomini, traveling violation. 6 minutes left. There's a foul. Jersey number 31. Fourth personal foul, Ruiz. Sub. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 14. Attend, no basket, rebound, Soklan. Pass to Revista. To the corner, Patingo for 3. Air ball. Artanga follow up na. Soklan. Mr. Donovan back. Sitchan, to Magallanes, to Doruelo. 4-3. Short, rebound, Soklan. Soklan dribbling. Soklan. No. Still by Pasigado. Pass to Soklan. Attacking Sitchan. So strong. Rebound Sitchan. Magallanes to Doruelo. To Sitchan. Intercepted by Artanga. Artanga dribble the ball to Patingo. Back to Artanga. Time out. San Juan. Four minutes and 45 seconds. 4 minutes and 45. 4 minutos 45 segundos. 4 minutes and 45. Four minutes 45 seconds. 4 minutes and 45 seconds on the fourth quarter. Score 50-38. 50-38 in favor of Recreo.
Siyempre, player ka pa kung nukay ka. Pwede na, manok ka naman.
Magallanes. De La Torre. Back to Magallanes. Last touch by Lagison.
Sa paano lang, sa 5 minutes.
Sinchon, short, rebound, pasigado, to Ilagison, touchdown! Easy 2 points! Magallanes to Sinchon, still, Patingo, pass to Elia Coria. Patingo, bound pass, shot clock 11, shot clock 11. 11 seconds, shot clock 11. Patingo, shot clock 7, attempt, basket, 2 points by Patingo. 3 minutes and 45 on the running. 4-3, no good, rebound, Artanga, Tosoklan. To Pasigado, to Elia Coria. 10 shot lock, 7 shot lock. To Soklan, no! Basket, 2 points, Soklan. De La Torre. 3 minutes left. Intercepted by Pasigado. To Patingo. And to the bucket. Time out. Barangay San Juan. Time 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Score 58-38. 20-point lead by Barangay Recreo. 2 minutos 50 segundos. 2 minutos 50. Barangay San Juan, amo na nang inyong last nga timeout. Wala na ako mabiling timeout. 2 minutes and 50. 2 minutes and 50. 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Isang 3 minutes lang na. Nakatulangan na yung nag-overtake. Overtake yan. Ako hindi nakakakita. Sabi kay mga pastilleras na, wala tayo.
Doruelo. Deny by Soklan. Pass to Patingo. To Pasigado. Touchdown. No. Rebound Patingo. Then no good. Sinchan. Shot clock 15. Last 2 minutes. Pasigado ay fake and attempt. Short. Patingo. Easy 2 points. 1 minute and 30. Basket, 2 points, Elia Coria. and 20. Suklan! Easy the points. Sub. Sub. 55. Easy the points, Patingo. Sub, time out. Wait na. Twenty-nine seconds, 29 seconds, 29. Twenty. Ten. 7. Foul. Two seconds ang nabilin, 2 seconds. 2 seconds. San Juan's ball. 2 seconds. Basket 3 points. That's the end on the final quarter. Congratulations, winner, Barangay Recreo. And thank you so much, Barangay San Juan.